Oh,
Perfect.
Wow. Good one.
This is not bad. We got the joint back in, but you've got this little tiny knot right there. This is a little further. It's okay, we'll get it back. Little turn and relax.
Oh,
Perfect.
Wow.
I'm gonna give you a little hug. Tuck your chin, breath in, blow it all the way out, and relax. That was great. That started to move on the way back. Do one more above it. Far back. Great.
Yeah,
Good movement with both of those. Yep, I got it. That's better.
There we go.
Good movement with that. That was a little stickier today.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stand up, move around for me, please. Feel nice and straight.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, feels good.